Hey there! Welcome to Escape with Charlene, a place where we talk about road trips, travel, and adventure. My name is Charlene. Today I'm going to be showing you the sleeping platform I built for my 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. I hope it inspires you as much as it's going to inspire me to get out and explore the world. Let's get started. Alright, here is the bed all set up. So, like I said, this is a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek, and so from the edge here, and then that seat is pushed all the way forward. It's 6 feet, which is perfect for me because I'm 5'6", and also, I want to be able to stretch out a little bit. I didn't want to be cramped. That was my biggest thing. Let's break down what we got going on here. So of course we have our comforter here. I didn't put sheets, so like I would make it a little bit nicer than this, but we have our comforter, and then this is a sleeping pad. It's fantastic. It's insulated. I use this when I'm camping. I will put the information in the description, but it provides just enough padding, and actually when you lay down on it, it tends to even out. It's really great. So from there, I covered up with just a regular blanket. This is just because I haven't put any carpet on top of the wood platform that's underneath. That's something I'm going to change. Alright, so let's show you the sleeping pad, just the structure itself. So I have 3 24 by 24 by 24 boards. I got these just because the initial design was going to be it's laying flat, and then like this could flip up and that could flip down, and it would just be like one big cube. I found that with the structure, I needed strength. So I needed these 2 boards to be connected. So for like, if I made another one of these, I would have just a 24 by 48 inch board, and then the 24 by 24 that would just flip. Because I'm finding that this is fine. Like I can flip this up. This seat can come back, and I could still have most of my car. I don't really have passengers, so that's not something I'm worried about. Boards are connected here and also underneath, but what you'll see is that there's these, oh gosh, it's so hard to see, but there's these legs that are, they can extend. So this is 5 inches, and it can extend another inch, and I figured that would be good in case I was on, I was camping in a surface that wasn't totally even. So I have one there, there's one here, and then under here there is a 2x4. I find that this is providing plenty of support on this part. As you can see, we have some issues with the headboard right now. So I need a piece of wood that's going to go right here to basically level that part out so the hinge isn't all wonky. And then once I have that, I saw this YouTube video, and I'll have to link in the description, but this person had a very good system. They called it like a drop pin system, where I had the boards. So I had the one board underneath. There were holes here and here. Same thing in the board underneath. And then they took like a carriage bolt and dropped it in. And so when I wanted to, basically fold this over, instead of having any crazy hinge or anything like that, I take those out and it can just extend. So, as you can see right now, we've extended it back. There's lots of storage. Got my little trash can, got my things here. This is actually my window covers. I'll show you guys that another day. Here's my book. But this seat comes all the way back. So, like if you're, out and about and you're by yourself, you don't have to worry like, oh, that looks a little weird. It looks pretty normal. And I mean, all of this I could really cover up with the privacy divider that goes in the Subaru here, and just some blankets. So I know that this system isn't perfect by any means. It's kind of like version, well, it's version 1, but it's the version that actually worked. There was a little bit of, you know, things that I had to work out in between. But I'm going to take this camping soon, so I will see if it's comfortable. I did lay in it with the sleeping pad, and it was actually really comfy. I also like a firmer surface to sleep on, so maybe that's part of it. I can also see getting, you know, like a foam mattress or some other just kind of mattress even that you can roll up. That's the important part. And there was still plenty of room. I didn't feel like I was on the ceiling, which obviously is important because you don't want to be claustrophobic. But yeah, I'd say that, you know, if you have a 2019, you know, Subaru Crosstrek, this is a pretty viable option in terms of a sleeping platform. Okay, and I want to share one more thing. So, something that I want to incorporate into this is, obviously I'm really excited that there's some storage space underneath, but I thought, okay, when I'm camping, what if I don't want to drag around a table with me, because I have really limited space. So I'm going to install some kind of hinge system underneath here, and then I got this board from IKEA. It was like $5 in the, you know, the as-is section, so it'll connect, and then I can have, you know, legs here that you can take on and off, and then I can use that to, you know, cook or prepare food or, I don't know, paint or do whatever. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video about the sleeping platform I built for my 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. If you have any comments or suggestions to make it better, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Have you tried something like this? I'd love to know that as well. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.